ProQuest Dialog's basic search provides easy and intuitive ways to get quick facts and information. This is the opening screen of ProQuest Dialog. The top bar shows how many databases are available. From here, you can conduct a search in all available databases, or by all the databases in a particular industry subject category, or you can scroll down and choose a particular database to search. Let's click on the icon for the industry group Engineering and Technology. This is the basic search form. Enter keywords into the query line. "And" is assumed in multi-word searches, and there are ways to tighten the search. However, if you want to run a quick search, for example on robotic surgery, you might enter something like "snake robot truncated" with an asterisk for open truncation and surgery. Since "and" is assumed, you might leave out the "and" before surgery, knowing that the space between words will do the same thing. The results page tells how many records fit your search criteria. You can click on Search Within and modify your search. When you click Search Within, you go to the bottom of the page where you can modify your search. One of the nice features of ProQuest Dialog is the ability to use left-hand truncation. You can enter *CARDI* to pick up records with words like epicardial or cardio arm, or a company called Cardiobiotics. Likewise, with *lumen*, you might pick up records with words like transluminal or lumen or luminal. Now, with very focused results, you can browse titles and get a free preview of records before selecting those you want to keep for this session. Advanced Search gives added flexibility with the ability to combine concepts onto a search form with multiple query lines and the ability to focus on particular fields in the database. Limit options are built into the search form, which you can incorporate into your strategy with a checkbox or drop list. You can also preview result counts and analyze what you have done so far. On the Advanced form, enter your strategy into the query boxes. You can limit to date ranges and specify document types if you wish. Click Preview Result Counts to see how many records fit your search criteria. If you wanted to go directly to the results page, you would click Search. In minutes, you created a search set, Set 1. You have cleared the search form. You would be able to combine other concepts with this search by entering into the query box something like S1 and complications. Note, in recent searches, you have 36 hits or records. Click the hyperlinked search strategy to go to the results page. A quick note about the Advanced Search form, and that is that it also gives you the opportunity to qualify your strategy to a particular field, such as document title. Certain fields, like the author or publication title, provide lookup lists that you can use. Command line search takes you a step further, where you can create distinct search sets, view field codes, and limit by publication dates. Help links abound throughout ProQuest Dialog on each search form. Command line search provides one query box, which expands to fill your search strategy. This search strategy illustrates the ability to create 3 distinct search sets on 3 different lines. As in Advanced Search, you can add search fields, look up terms, and get help on field codes. Like Advanced Search, on this form, you can use a drop list to limit publication dates to last 7 days, 30 days, 12 months, 3 years, or enter a specific date or range. Click Preview Result Counts to see how many records fit your strategy for each set, and then for Set 1 and Set 2 combined, or ANDed together. You can analyze your result counts and decide what you want to do next. To see the records from Set 3, click the hyperlinked search strategy. Just as in basic and advanced searches, 36 records fit the search criteria. Now, let's look at some other features on the results page, such as narrow results by and the date slider. You can use the date slider to narrow retrieval to specific time periods, such as a year, a range of years, or months or days. You slide the bar tabs to the years you want and click Update. Or you could click on a bar to get 1 year or range. From here, you can also narrow by particular journals, document types, subjects, classification names, and more. Date limits have been applied. Records are sorted by relevance, and you can use the drop-down menu to change that to most recent or oldest first. You can glimpse publication titles or other facets, and use these facets to narrow your results even more. After selecting records, click Selected Items. Here in Selected Items, you can read your records and email, print, cite, export, or save them. Indexing follows with hyperlinked terms, authors, and in this case, a conference title. Scientific, technical, medical records have digital object identifiers that you can link to the publisher's sites to access the full text. From novice to advanced information professional, you'll find features in these 3 search forms that help you find the answers you need and provide paths to excellent analysis. Use Basic Search if you're just getting started in online searching, or if you have a quick search you want to run. Use Advanced Search to add complexity to your queries. Use Command Line Search if you are an experienced researcher and you want to build multifaceted searches and play with concepts in multiple search sets. To see the 3 search forms in greater detail, view the At a Glance short modules at the ProQuest Dialog customer information site, www.dialog.com/ProQuest Dialog. Click the Training tab.